In this video, we're diving into Google AI Studio, the easiest way to explore and work with Gemini models. We'll show you everything you can do with the interface. You need to go to aistudio.google.com to access this. On the right side, you'll see the model panel. This is where you can select which Gemini model you want to use. Each model is built for different purpose. Some are good at reasoning, some models perform better for processing documents. This section provides a brief overview of the selected model's capabilities, model pricing, and other info. It's your quick reference point for understanding the power behind your prompts. Let's take a quick look at all of the latest models. The Gemini 2.5 Pro is suited best for coding, reasoning, and multimodal understanding. Means it can process different types of inputs like images, audio, and text. This model has a long context window, implying it can analyze large datasets, code bases, and documents. For each selected model, you can control a number of settings. Temperature controls the randomness of the model. Low temperature means more predictable and controlled output, suited for tasks like math and code review. Higher temperature is suited for tasks like image generation that require more creativity and randomness. Structured output allows you to get the response in a specified format like JSON or XML for better control and predictability. Code execution allows you to run code for data analysis or simulation using libraries like Pandas and MATLAB. Function calling allows you to connect external apps with your LLMs to perform tasks like booking a ticket or browser control. You can also integrate Google Search so that your LLM can provide responses after analyzing data from the internet. We will learn all of these in the upcoming videos of this playlist. Next, we have Gemini 2.0 Flash. This model is less expensive compared to the previous model and is also capable of multimodal understanding. Flash can use native tools like Google Search and web scraping to generate responses. With real-time streaming, it can generate response word by word while thinking. Next up is Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generation. It is capable of multimodal understanding and generation. Along with native tool use, it can also process up to 10,000 lines of code. This image generation and editing model is free to use. The Flash Lite model is similar to Flash, but lightweight. It is faster and cheaper, but output quality will be lower than Flash, best suited for simple and bulk operations. The last in Gemini 2 series is Flash Thinking Model. It can solve complex reasoning, coding, and math problems with high accuracy. There's also a prompt gallery here that lets you test the model for a variety of tasks. At the middle of the screen, we have a few other options like system instructions and code template. You can add a system instruction to define the tone, structure, or even guide the model on what kind of persona to adopt. These settings help you tailor the output to your exact use case. Here in this case, it responds like Shakespeare has directed. From here, you can get a code template too for your selected settings. Just copy and paste in your project, and you are ready to make API calls in your preferred programming language. You can easily share the chat or code and even save it to drive with a single click. The compare mode here allows you to compare different models and their results side by side. But what's really exciting are the newer additions, stream and video generation. With Stream, you can turn on your webcam and actually practice interviews. The model doesn't just listen to what you say. It analyzes your posture, facial expressions, and tone to give you feedback on your confidence and communication style. Or you can share your screen and Gemini will assist you on your workflows like coding or design tasks. The AI can guide you step by step through complex technical workflows, whether it's debugging code, improving a presentation, or brainstorming ideas. These features turn Gemini into a truly multimodal assistant, not just answering your questions, but becoming part of your workspace. Gemini now even has video gen capabilities with its VO2 model. You can generate high-quality videos from prompts and even animate images. There's this tab called Starter Apps, where you can explore fun and useful apps developed using the Gemini models. You can use, copy, and create your own apps through the AI Studio. Google is rapidly advancing Gemini, turning it into a powerhouse of AI. Gemini has evolved from generating text to handling complex reasoning and even creating videos. That's the Google AI Studio, a simple yet powerful environment to unlock what Gemini models can do for your ideas and apps. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.